To all our honorable guests, Salam Sejahtera, and to Asian Food and Travel, greatly honored to be receiving this award. After 13 years, 24 seasons, over 1,500 dishes that I've cooked in 5 Rencah, 5 Rasa, one show alone. It's nice to be recognized. I'm grateful to receive this award, not just for me, but also on behalf of everyone who's worked hard for the show and making it one of the longest lasting cooking shows. I'd like to believe this doesn't just belong to me, but also to everyone involved in the show since 2010. I've been advocating Malaysian food within my own means throughout my time in the industry because it's not just a cuisine. I think it's sophisticated and I'm proud to call my own. It's also because it's one of the biggest traits that makes us unique as a people. We're truly blessed to have such a diverse and food culture and heritage here in Malaysia, and it's not any particular ethnic cuisine we have that's better or more special than the other, but it's the crossover, the overlaps. That all contributes to it being Malaysian food. The diversity that lives in unison is what makes us special and stands out to the rest of the world. In short, our food is anything but boring, yes? Where else in the world would you get good roti canai in the morning and then go for banana leaf for lunch? And if you can manage anything after that, God bless you, Chinese food. I've been doing this for the past 13 years, be it on my cooking shows where I've made roti john, believe it or not, for the Scottish people in Glasgow, or sharing with the people of Dubai what laksa is. I just want to encourage all Malaysians to see the values in our food beyond just our favorite spots to eat, because it satisfies our cravings, but to also understand that behind each of these places are stories of people who, in the mastering of their crafts and skills, have sacrificed so much of themselves just to provide for their families. They deserve recognition, they deserve their stories told to the world, because they are the people who are still holding true to who we are as a people, keeping our culture, heritage and tradition alive. They are our silent heroes. If it's not for them, we will soon lose our hues, because having donuts, croissants, we'll soon lose our laksas, because having carbonaras is much sexier. I challenge us all to, in our own little way, advocate for our silent heroes, advocate for our food heritage, that it may continue to live on so that our children and our children's children can still find the food that we love so dearly. Salam Ramadan. God bless all of you all. Take care.